Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 2 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons on your watch. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. In the menu you should see the clocks option. Once you see it, tap on it. Here tap on the alarms, and now we can tap on add alarm to basically create a alarm clock. Now let's enter the time on which the alarm should go off. So you can tap on the numbers like that to set the time. Then you can select PM or AM. As you can see here we have our alarm. We can turn it on or off. You can also have multiple alarms if you want to, like this. Another thing you can do is to tap on the alarm to edit it, and here we can customize it a little further. We can change the time again if you want to. You can tap on repeat option, and here you can select how often the alarm should repeat. If you select once, it will go off once and it won't repeat anymore, but if you select daily, it will go off daily. If you select weekdays, it will go off on weekdays. If you select weekends, it will go off on weekends. And if you select custom, you can select specific days for it to go off, and then you can swipe right to go back. You can also select sounds option, and here you can select if you want to have a tone, vibration on, or tone and vibration. So basically sound and vibration, or only vibration, only sound. And then you have also option called label, and you can basically assign a label for the alarm so you can recognize it a little bit more. And of course, one option, or the last option, is to delete the alarm. So if you want to remove the alarm, you can tap on it and tap on delete like this. And once you're done setting up your alarm clocks, you can press the lower button a couple of times to go back to watch face. Okay, and that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.